Hello everyone, welcome to Step by Step. Hi, 大家好，欢迎来到一步步。Today we're going to talk about ordinal number. 我们今天要讲的呢是序数。Before we start, let's check our homework. 在我们开始前呢，我们先来对一下功课。Remember to listen, check, and read. 别忘了要听，然后检查，然后跟着读一遍哦。Number 1, I have 10 pens. 10. 10. Number 2, he has 25 erasers. 25, 25. 3, she has 37 rulers. 37, 37. 4, we have 12 staplers. 12, 12. 5, they have 99 highlighters. 99, 99. Did you do well? 你做得好吗？ I wish you did well. 希望你呢是做得非常好的。Let's get started. 那我们就开始吧。An ordinal number is a number that tells the position of something in a list. 序数呢，它就是告诉你这个数字它之间的顺序，不是只是讲数量，而是讲它们之间的顺序。For example, the first day of November. 举例来说呢，11月的第一天 is talking about the first day of that month. 它是在讲那个月的第一天。So that is why it is called ordinal number. 这就是为什么呢它会叫序数。So let's start from the first one. 那我们从第一个开始。First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. So let's take a look at first, second, and third. 那我们先来看一下第一、第二跟第三。First, the letter suffix is st. 它这个字的结尾呢是 st. Second, letter suffix is nd. 结尾呢是 nd. Third, the letter suffix is rd. 它的结尾呢是 rd. As you can see, 如同你所看到的 the letter suffix is the ending of the word. 它的这个字母结尾呢就是这个字的结尾。Be careful with how you spell fifth and ninth. 那小心你拼第5跟第9的拼法。Next one, let's move on to 11th. 下一个我们从11开始。11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. So right here, please be careful with the spelling of 12. 这边的话呢，要注意 12 第12你的拼法。When we were talking about cardinal numbers, we said it's 12. 那我们在讲奇数的时候呢，我们说它是12。But right now we're talking about ordinal number, 但是因为我们现在是在讲序数 so it becomes 12. 所以它变成了第12。And about 20, it becomes 20th. 对于20来说呢，它变成第20。How do we spell 20? 我们怎么拼20呢？ T-W-E-N-T-Y. But how do we spell 20th? 但是我们怎么拼第20？ T-W-E-N-T-I-E-T-H. So in 20, 所以在20的时候呢，this word ends in ty. 这个字它是 ty 结尾 ，but in 20th， 但是在第20 ，this word ends in ieth， 这个字呢就会用 ieth 来结尾。So the y in 20 we need to drop it， 我们需要把这个在20里面的 y 把它去掉 ，and add ieth， 然后加 ieth to 20th， 到第20里面。Let's move on to 21st， 那我们就从第21开始吧。21st， 21st， 22nd， 22nd。23rd, 23rd, 24th, 24th, 25th, 25th. As you can see， 如同你看见的啦 ，start from 21st， 从第21开始 ，it's just like what we mentioned before， 就跟我们之前提到的一样啦。30th, 30th, 40th。40th, 50th, 50th, 60th, 60th, 70th, 70th, 80th, 80th, 90th, 90th, 100th, 100th, 1000th, 1000th, 10,000th, 10,000th. So there are some certain rules for ordinal number. 以序数来说的话呢，它是有一些规则的。I know it might be a little bit confusing. 我知道可能听起来会觉得有点困惑。But after you review more and more of it, it will become better. 在你多复习之后呢，就会变得更好的。Let's start with our pop quiz. 那我们就来我们的随堂测验吧。Let's review how to say ordinal numbers. 那我们来复习序数要怎么说。Remember to listen, write, and read. 别忘记要听、写，然后读一遍哦。Number 1, how to say this ordinal number? 第一题，我们要怎么说这个序数呢？ It's time for you to write and read. 现在你就可以把它写下来，然后读一遍啦。It's How to say this ordinal number? It's 35th. 35th. Number 2, how to say this ordinal number? It's How to say this ordinal number? It's 52nd. 52nd. Number 3, how to say this ordinal number? It's How to say this ordinal number? It's 86th. 86th. Number 4, how to say this ordinal number? It's How to say this ordinal number? It's 23rd. 23rd. Number 5, how to say this ordinal number? It's How to say this ordinal number? It's 12th. It's 12th. I know this lesson is a little bit hard. 我知道这一课可能比较难一点。But don't forget to study it again and again, and it will become better. 那别忘记，你可以一遍一遍的去读它，那它就会变得更简单咯。Let's start with our homework. 那我们就来看我们的功课吧。Fill in the blanks. 填入空格。This homework is pretty special. 这个功课呢比较特别。From number 1 to number 3, they're going to tell you the difference between cardinal number and ordinal numbers. 第一题呢到第3题，他们会告诉你奇数跟序数之间不一样的地方。So if you have time, you can check out the homework from cardinal number. 如果你有空的话呢，你可以回去 还有基数的那一部影片，然后看一下那个功课 ，and you will know the difference， 然后你就会发现到它们的不同。How do you use these two different kind of system？ 你要怎么用这两种不同的系统呢？ So number 1， 第一题 ，Take the 10th pen. Take the 10th pen. Number 2, this is his 25th eraser. This is his 25th eraser. Number 3, this is her 37th ruler. This is her 37th ruler. Number 4, August is the 8th month of the year. August is the 8th month of the year. Number 5, Friday is the 5th day of the week. Friday is the 5th day of the week. This is all for our homework. Remember to listen, write, and read. 这是我们全部的功课啦，不要忘记听、写，然后跟着读一遍。That's all for today. 那我们今天就到这里。Let's improve step by step together. 我们一起一步步进步。I know you can do it. 我知道你一定可以做到的。This is the end of the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. 这就是影片的结尾啦。如果你喜欢这影片的话呢，请记得分享并且订阅我的频道。And don't forget to click the bell icon. 也不要开启小铃铛。See you next time. 下期见啦，拜。